Hi, good morning. My name is Tim Schuett. I'm a field application engineer with STL. Today, I'm showing you some of those products that we are featuring for our connectivity offering. One of the innovative products that STL is very excited to showcase is the OptoPull Pullable Field Installed SC APC Connectorized Drop Cable. As you can see, it is available with pre-terminated SC APC or with our innovative OptoPull connector with a pulling eye that once removed is ready for an SC APC housing to simply snapped on. This design significantly reduces cable installation for subscriber connections. Available in 3mm round and 5mm round. Made with our G657A2 single mode optical glass.